When you hear the word yum in Thai menu, you know it's gotta be Thai salad that has the combination like sour, sweet, salty, a bit bitter from herbs, and of course spicy. Today let's make yum Woon Sen or Thai spicy glass noodle salad together. Stick with me to the end to see how to make it. This is kind of overall what we are using for this dish. A little bit of everything. That's what I like about Thai cooking, so many things to play around with. But let's start with Woon Sen or glass noodles, the main ingredients of the dish. If you are using the dried ones like me, soak in the water for about 10 to 15 minutes or until soft. Later on, you'll see that I added another portion because I realized not enough for 2 people and I would be eating like a monster this meal. I am using a half of tomato, but if you like tomato, feel free to add more. Bit celery for the nice smell. A half onion, can be either red or white, slice them up. Lime, rolling it first to get more juice. We're going to need 2 tablespoons, so 1 lime should do. Red chilies, as much as you like. I cut them into small pieces first because look at the size of my mortar. If you have a big one, you can just go ahead pounding. Looks spicy. Okay, sausages, slice them up. And now our glass noodles should be soft already. Cut into shorter parts and rinse the water out. Now let's make the minced chicken. Since I don't have food processor, I am going to hand chop them. This part I normally use pork, but was just lazy to defrost and the chicken was there ready to be cooked already in the fridge, so you can use either pork or chicken. Okay, now let's boil the sausage. We're halfway for this menu already, guys. And prawns, roughly. You can also add squid if you like. And then glass noodles just for about a minute. It's cooked quickly. Then rinse in strainer. Now add a tiny bit of water. We are cooking the minced chicken. And add a tablespoon of light soy sauce. This is not boiling. In Thai we call ruan. Ruan, yes. Even though I'm Thai, I'm having a hard time pronouncing that alphabet. Okay, ruan, which describes cooking some minced protein in a tiny bit of water to bring out some juice because the meat has its natural sweetness. So once it's cooked, put in the mixing bowl. We are adding the sugar first when it's still hot so the sugar melts better. Keep stirring for a while until the sugar melts. Then add the fish sauce for a couple tablespoons. Lime juice, and chilies. If you are not so sure with the spice level, add bit by bit and taste. And this is optional, the magic powder in Asian cuisine, MSG, for the umami taste. Mix everything up and taste if everything is good, because some people like more sweet, more spicy, more sour, so feel free to adjust to your own taste. Now adding the onion and tomato. Then glass noodles. Mix until the noodles kind of absorb the seasoning. And the topping. celery and coriander for the nice aromatic smell. And peanuts, trust me, you'll love the peanuts in it. Cut the taste and just more texture. And now we are ready to serve. I hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching. If you like to cook, especially Thai recipes, subscribe and follow Thai Girl in the Kitchen for new recipes on every Monday and Thursday. For today, สวัสดีค่ะ